Commissioner and the Traffic Joint Commissioner. Three of them informed me that this is the incident has happened. So just I stopped the meeting and I rushed back to Bangalore today. By the time my Honorable Chief Minister also visited the site. It is a very unfortunate incident. It is a very old wall which I saw it from my eyes. I think it is not a new wall. I think one side a lot of mud has been packed there and some trees has been put there. So I think it could not withstand the strength what I could see. But anyway, my GBA officials have already asked the PW to examine and give a report on this. I also already instructed on this issue. I think already 8 deaths has happened in Bangalore as per the reports now. 7 here in this Shivaji Nagar. One is with the Vega City Mall. There's some electrical line, I think the report is there, some due to electrical, this one death has happened. Here all of them were on the street vendors. 5 of them were the street vendors, one including a child. A 6-year child has been death has happened. 2 have been dead from the Kerala. In that Kerala, about 56 people had come to Bangalore to visit, to do marketing, to see the church and all. There is an institution called Kutumbashri. They were on this health care issue. They had come for the propaganda. A team had come, about 56 people. Some of them had come in the bus, some had come in the flight from Ernakulam. So some of them was doing their shopping. Since rain came, they were trying to do shopping here, and some of them hiding before the wall. By the time this big rain has come and the wall has fallen on them, and accident has happened, and 7 deaths on the spot. So still 3 of them who have been from Kerala also have been identified. They are out of danger. They are okay. I spoke to them personally, and I met the team captain also. Today, I think immediately we will, already my CM has announced whatever the composition is there. But composition there is not an issue now. We are very sorry, it is unfortunate this issue has happened here, accident has happened here. So I have already instructed my GBA commissioner and the police officers also to identify all the branches, such type of branches here in Bangalore. You will see that which are danger, which will affect the transport, because more than 100 places trees have fallen and the traffic chaos has happened in Bangalore. When I was traveling from Kharagpur also, I could notice that this type of incident has happened. And in the present, in the place where we are seeing this wall, so I will instructed the police commissioner and the GB officials will not allow street vendors sitting at this type of walls right now from tomorrow itself, because it is a very dangerous place where there is no protection, where this type of things may happen, because we could see with my engineers of the GBA here that no proper hole is there, the water to come out to see that the pressure has been maintained. So this also we look into it. This will look at it, but all of them who have been working here, sitting at the streets, they are the street vendors for their bread and butter they were trying to do. It is very unfortunate. We are sorry for them, we will stand by them, and the government will take care of all this.